Hello everyone, this is Syed Zabiullah. Today I am going to discuss second type of past tense, that is past continuous tense. Before we going to study in detail of past continuous tense, let us know the meaning of past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to describe an action or the activities which were going on sometime in the past. To refer that situation, we use past continuous tense. Look at the formula here. We have subject, and according to subject, was or were, be verbs that we use, and then main verb is in ing form or the present participle form or V4 form, and then object. And one thing you have to remember, whenever we use first person singular I, third person singular he, she, it, we have to use was in past continuous tense. Whenever we use plural subjects, that is we, you, they, we have to use were in past continuous tense. So, this is the thing you have to remember. Now, let us move to the examples. Look at the example. I was teaching simple past tense. Look at here. I have used first person singular I and then was according to the formula first person singular I and then helping verb was, main verb is in present participle form, that is teach plus ing, teaching. I was teaching simple past tense is object. Look at the second sentence. We were playing cricket. Here also I have used plural subject, that is the first person plural we, and accordingly I have used the be verb, that is were, which agrees with the subject. Playing, that is the present participle form, main verb ing form, and then cricket is object. Look at the next sentence. You were sleeping in the class. So, second person singular as well as plural you. Accordingly, be verb were I have used, sleep plus ing, sleeping, the main verb is in ing form, and then object in the class. Look at the next example. She was singing a song. Here the subject third person singular she I have used, accordingly be verb was I have used, sing plus ing, singing a song is object. Look at the next sentence. He was watching movie. So, it is also third person singular he, and then accordingly I have used the be verb was, watch plus ing, present participle form of main verb watching, movie is the object. So, look at the last sentence. It was raining. Here I have used third person singular it, accordingly be verb was, and then rain plus ing, that is raining. So, these are all the examples of past continuous tense. I have discussed past continuous tense with assertive sentences. Now, let us move to the negatives in past continuous tense. How to frame negatives in past continuous tense? Look at the formula here. We have subject, and according to subject was or were, and then I have to use not, and then main verb is in present participle form, and then object. So, this is the formula of negatives in past continuous tense. Look at the example here. I was not teaching simple past tense. Look at here. I have used the subject first person singular I and then helping verb was. So, in between the helping verb and the main verb I have used not to make it negative. I was not teaching simple past tense. The rest of the things will remain the same. Look at the next example. I have used first person plural we and then helping verb according to subject. We were not playing cricket. So, in between the helping verb and the main verb I have used not to make it negative. Look at the next example. You were not sleeping in the class. Here also I have used second person singular as well as plural you, and then were accordingly according to the subject, and then not in between the helping verb and the main verb, and then main verb is in present participle form, and then object. Look at the next example. She was not singing a song. So, she third person singular according to subject I have used the helping verb was, and then not, which is in between helping verb and the main verb, that is singing, and a song is object. Look at the next sentence. He was not watching movie. Here also I have used third person singular he, and accordingly be verb was, and then not in between the helping verb and the main verb, that is watching a movie is object. Look at the last sentence. It was not raining. So here I have not used the object it, third person singular. Accordingly I have used the helping verb, that is was, and then in between the helping verb and the main verb I have used not. It was not raining. So there is no object, and these are all the things related to negatives in past continuous tense. Now let us move to interrogatives in past continuous tense. Look at the formula here. First we have helping verbs, that is was or were, and then subject, and then main verb is in present participle form, and then object, and at last don't forget to put question mark. Look at the examples here. Was I teaching simple past tense? Look at here. I have used the helping verb first before the subject was, and then I, first person singular, teaching present participle form of the verb, simple past tense, and then question mark. Look at the next sentence. Were we playing cricket? Here according to the subject I have used the helping verb, that is were we playing main verb in present participle form, cricket is object, and then question mark. Look at the next sentence. Were you sleeping in the class? So here also I have used the helping verb were according to subject, that is first person and second person singular as well as plural you, and then sleeping present participle form of the verb, in the class object, and then question mark. Look at the next sentence. Was she singing a song? Question mark. So was I have used according to third person singular subject she, and then singing, that is the present participle form of verb, a song is object, and then question mark. Was he watching movie? Look at here. Was helping verb, third person singular he, according to subject we have used was, watch plus ing present participle form of the verb, movie object, and then question mark. Look at the last sentence. Was it raining? So was according to subject, that is third person singular it, I have used was before the subject. Was it raining? Rain plus ing present participle form of the verb, and then question mark. So these are all the things related to interrogatives in past continuous tense. So with that I have discussed past continuous tense with affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences. Now let us move to the usage of past continuous tense in our regular conversation. As I have already told you, past continuous tense is used to describe an action which was taking place sometime in past. Look at the example here. I was resting the whole day. So was resting is the indication of past continuous action which was taking place sometime in the past. Look at the next example. At 6 a.m. this morning I was doing my work. So here was doing is the indication of past continuous action which was taking place sometime in past. Let us move to the next usage of past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to describe an action which was in progress when another action took place in past. Look at the example here. They were sleeping when the thief entered the house. So look at here. They were sleeping, the action which was taking place sometime in past, and at the same time one more action took place, that is the thief entered the house. Similarly, you were reading a novel when I came to your home. So look at here. You were reading, the indication of past continuous action. When I came to your home is the one more action that took place. So past continuous tense is also used with the adverbs, that is always and forever, to talk about the repeated actions of the past continuous. Look at here. Smita was always coming late to her music class. Look at here, the usage of adverb always, coming late to her music, talk about the repeated activity of the past continuous. So, these are all the things related to past continuous tense. I hope you have understood the concept past continuous tense and you will going to use it in your regular conversation. So, in our next session we will going to discuss about past perfect tense. I hope you have understood. Have a nice time.